How to fix the connection has timed out in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by left-clicking the search bar and searching for CMD, which is the command prompt. For some reason this is in German still. This is the command prompt though. Go to the right and say run as administrator, left-click that. Now in here, the first step you want to do is enter ipconfig space / flush DNS. Type in this command, hit enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, so the cache has been flushed. And one last step would be to go to net sh win sock and then reset. Enter this command, both will be in the description below. Hit enter, which will reset your network, and then you will have to restart your computer, which will resolve your connection has timed out problem. Exit this out, and we're back. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.